Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload 4K quality videos on your phone without suppressing the quality. Now, in order for you to actually do this, what you have to do is just simply don't upload the video from the regular YouTube studio which is available in the Play Store. So instead what you have to do is just simply go to your Chrome browser and just simply search for YouTube. Now, if you'll try to open YouTube over here, it will automatically ask you to open the application. So firstly, what you have to do is go to desktop mode by clicking at the three dots at the top right. Then desktop site. Now again, don't click on the YouTube because it will still not open and it will still prompt you to open the application. Let me show you, as you can see over here. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply click on the search panel and type in www.youtube.com and hit enter. Now open your YouTube this way. Now, after opening YouTube on your browser, rest of the process is mostly the same. Click on the plus icon over here, click on upload video, click on select file. You can zoom in if you want to. Then choose file, choose your video. Now let the video upload and enter all the details regarding your videos. Then hit next, then next, and again next. Make it public, private, whatever you want. Then hit next and hit save. Now as you can see, the video is uploading and it's a 4K video. It is going to take some time to process the entire video. So be patient and wait for the processing to complete. And after the processing is complete, the video will be uploaded in 4K. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.